House tour. This traditional home has one vibrant color palette. The living room is enveloped in the most beautiful shades of purple, lilac, eggplant, orchid, and dark berry can all be seen here. With a focus on layering hues, the living room has a beautiful backdrop of pale purple wallpaper. From there, the color palette continues to build through the use of pillows in dark shades of plum and violet. The mix of purple hues comes together in the drapery in this cozy living room. The watercolor pattern ranges from the shades lightest to darkest moments. For warmth, the room is dotted with gold accessories and dark woods that complement the mix of purple hues. The dining room is an ode to the color green. To accentuate the home's high ceilings, walls have been covered in a beautiful emerald hue. The only thing to break up the colorful walls is a large painting featuring a soft pastel palette. Everything else in the room has been kept simple and sophisticated, a mix of neutrals that are sure not to interfere with the green shade. A white Saarinen dining table adds a mid-century modern touch in the dramatic dining area. Surrounded by crystal clear Philippe Starck's Louis Ghost chairs, visually you are never distracted from the room's colorful hue. The end result is a dining area that is breathtaking in design and scale. For a finishing touch in the bedroom, mirrored items add a glow. From the side tables to the dresser, a mix of mirrored furniture and metallic details is a beautiful finishing touch in the master. The family room is filled with whimsy. A mix of color and pattern is featured throughout the space. Pieces like the dark blue sofa and tufted gray ottoman act as neutrals. It's the side chairs that are the ultimate statement pieces. The chairs have been upholstered in Schumacher Chiang Mai dragon fabric. This energizing chinoiserie motif offers vibrant colors and movement in the design. The color palette is completed with a mix of cushions. The family room is also about comfort. Schumacher prides herself on being able to create spaces that are filled with personalized elements for the homeowners that she works with. In this home, where there are several young children, it was important to consider both form and function in terms of the furnishings. Andrea Schumacher Interiors is not about imposing ideas and personal taste onto a client, explains Schumacher. It's about the client and interior designer coming together to create a unique space, and helping the client develop their vision while fulfilling their design requirements. The formal dining area is where Schumacher's eye for color, pattern, and unique details truly shines. The space is visually stimulating with a daring mix of elements. The rug is the start of the dining room's striking color palette. Like a Jackson Pollock painting, it offers a riot of hues. A formal dining table is surrounded by chairs upholstered in a rich, teal velvet shade. The contrast of the brown and blue pops. For a strong dose of pattern, the walls are covered in a blue trellis pattern. And Roman shades have been installed to add a mix of crimson and navy blue to the room. Built-ins have also been painted in unexpected shades. A soft gray shade that has an undercurrent of lilac makes the room's classic buffet shine. In the study, the room that sticks closely to tradition in this interior, neutrals are dotted by Schumacher's eye for textiles. A large ottoman upholstered in a warm ikat fabric is a statement piece in this room built for lounging. The kitchen is an open and airy environment. Perfect for cooking for the entire family. White cabinets are a clean backdrop to the dark marble that forms the countertops and backsplash. Heading up the stairs, small pattern details can be found in the stair runner and tile in the entryway. Warm neutrals keep things looking modern and sophisticated. For a pop of color in the master bedroom, an upholstered bed in pale blue adds a serene hue to the space. While the rest of the room may be neutral, the mix of patterns and textures keeps things warm and cozy. From the wallpaper to the drapery, subtle patterns add visual interest to the bedroom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.